Hello everyone, our topic is about electrical tools. Electrical tools are used to do the electrical work like electrical wiring installations. By using this tool, we can do the installation of electrical wire properly and quickly. You must be able to choose the right equipment or tools to do the electrical work, then only the quality of our work will improve. By using electrical tools, we could do the electrical tasks effortlessly. Like any other repair or improvement project around the house, electrical work requires tools. For most residential electrical projects, you will use mostly basic hand tools: hammer, tape, measure, level, and screwdrivers. Tape measure. A tape measure is used for all kinds of field measurements, such as setting heights for switches and outlets, centering lighting fixture boxes, and marking surfaces for cutouts. Hammer. Hammer is used to secure electrical boxes equipped with nail brackets to wall studs and other framing members in a home. You will also need one to drive wire staples when anchoring new electrical cables to framing members. Torpedo level. A small level, such as torpedo level, fits easily in a tool pouch and is used to make sure your work is level and plumb. A great installation starts with the level boxes and straight switch and outlets covers. A torpedo level should be part of every homeowner's standards toolkit. It will have plenty of uses beyond electrical work. Flashlights. Electrical repair and improvement work involves a lot of dark places, from attics and basement, to wall and ceiling cavities, to the insides of electrical boxes. A tactical flashlight is needed as much for safety as it is for convenience. A couple of hand flashlight and a hand lamp are good additions to an electrical equipments. These headlamp torch. Utility knife or box cutter is handy for cutting sheeting from non-metallic cable, to cut off electrical tape, and to open cardboard boxes. Phillips screwdrivers. Electricians keep screwdrivers with them at all times for removing and installing cover plates, outlets, switches, and many other devices. It's best to have a few different lengths of Phillips screwdrivers, just like this, for a small space area. Straight blade screwdriver. As with Phillips screwdrivers, you will likely need more than one size of straight blade screwdrivers. If you have to choose just one, pick a medium blade. It will suit most projects. Straight blade screwdrivers are also available with insulated hardness for better safety when doing electrical works. Allen wrench. Allen wrenches are used to tighten hexagon screws, which are sometimes found on the ceiling fans, light fixtures, and appliances. It's a good idea to own both a metric and a standard set of Allen wrenches. This is a L-type Allen wrench. Tongue and groove pliers. Tongue and groove pliers are known by many names, including channel lock, groove joint, tongue and groove, and straight jaw pliers. This tool is most often used for plumbing work, but a pair of tongue and groove pliers also has many uses for electrical projects. It will see frequent use for removing knockouts from metal electrical boxes, tightening cable clamps, and adjusting expansion type ceiling fan boxes. Non-contact voltage tester. Perhaps the most important specialty electrical tool you can own is a voltage tester. A voltage tester is used for a quick safety check to make sure there's no voltage in an electrical wire or device before you start working on it. Non-contact voltage testers powered by batteries and the simplest and safest types of this tester because they can detect electricity just by being near an outlet slot or wire. Wire strippers. Another essential electrical specialty tool for homeowners is a good pair of wire strippers. Wire strippers are used to cut and strip insulation from electrical wires. A wire stripper tool has a row of gauge holes for stripping wires of different sizes. This one. This is number 14, 12, 10, and 8. Some types are combination tools that can also be used to crimp wires and to strip the vinyl jackets of NM cable. Needle nose pliers. Another essential specialty electrical tool is a pair of needle nose pliers, also called long nose pliers. It will be used for bending and twisting wires wherever you are making screw thermal connections. The long narrow tip makes this a great tool for detailed work. Most needle nose pliers also include cutting jaws for trimming wires. This is the cutting jaws. Diagonal cutting pliers, sometimes called side snip or dikes, are used to cut wires. They are especially designed with a cutting edge that goes down to the tip of the jaws, allowing you to get into tight areas to trim wires. Some types can also have a built-in voltage detector to sense live wires. You can also find combination tools that include wire stripping slot built into the handles. Voltmeter or multimeter. A voltmeter is used to read voltage levels and verify that circuits are live or off. Unlike a circuit tester, these tools give you reading on how much voltage is being carried. More sophisticated forms of the tools are known as multimeters, and they can not only read voltage level but also amperage, resistance, and direct voltage and amperage. They do, however, require practice to learn how to use them properly. These specialty tools is used mostly by advanced electricians or professional electricians. Casual electricians may not need to own this tool, but those who do a lot of electrical work on appliances and electronics may find it essential. electric drill. These devices are used to drill holes in metal sheet and concrete walls. They can be used to make holes in building structures for the passage of wires and conduit. They can be useful for indoor and outdoor wiring. Hacksaw. Hacksaw can be used to cut metal conduit and armored cable. It can also be used to cut the small and medium sized metals. Wrench. Wrenches are instruments that can be used to turn nuts or hold a piece of stock when tightening screws, nuts and bolts. There are different types of wrenches like adjustable wrench, pipe wrench, vice grip wrench. This one is close and open wrench. So this is the tools that you need for electrical products. Thank you for watching.